Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me.
Hey everybody, this is a super cute little box. It's using the Pets paper, I can't remember what it's called, and that paper is retiring. Not the stamp set, but the paper. So if you haven't got that yet, you might want to run and pick it up. Super cute. It's got little paw prints and fishy bowls and feathers and the little mousey and little fish on strings. My kitties play with all of these. I wanted to share with you how to make it. For the cardstock, 8 1/4 by 11. On the long side, we're gonna score at 2 1/2, 5 1/4, 7 3/4, and 10 1/2. Spinning it round, we've got a half here, 3 1/4, 5 3/4. Fold and burnish all your score lines. We're going to remove some pieces, so I'm going to wedge on this piece and wedge on that piece. We're going to get rid of this whole section here. I'm using my long scissors for that. All right, so now we're going to cut up all on the score lines here, and then I'll work with you what to cut next. I like to keep the tab at the back. So here's the back. So this one is the lid. These two will be the flaps, and this one gets removed completely. So we're going to cut these in half, and we're going to wedge. Okie dokie. So let's see how it all works. This is the front piece. I always like that to go down last. This will be the inside piece, and then we could, or the back piece, I should say, and then these two can be flaps. So we can remove some bulk, just like this. Cut them in half. And we could do a little wedge, but it doesn't really matter. Okay. This is a lid, and it is 2 1/4 by 2 1/2. You're going to need 2 pieces for the wide ones, the wide squares, 2 1/4 by 2 1/2. And then 2 skinny ones that are 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. So those ones are perfectly square. Okay. Fold that in half, fold that in half, and you should have a lovely box that works for you. So let's close everything in and close that lip. Oh, I forgot to wedge this, so it probably won't fit in unless I do. Okay. And then, so the flaps go in, the inside goes in, and then I'm gonna do a adhesive U is what I call it, just along the edges here, and here, and here. And now, like I always do on these kind of flat bottom boxes, they're not fold flat. What I like to do is just take off any little extra that I see. And I see some here. It's just because they weren't wedged, and we don't want them wedged because we have that flat bottom. So it's a nice solid box. And I have just a vellum stitched circle like that. And then I have some dimensionals. This is from the Flowering Cactus Medley. And this product medley will go and it won't be, and I have a class on it too. It's such a cute medley. However, it's going to be retiring shortly. So if you don't have this particular item, you might want to get one. It's always the year-end closeout. It kind of hurts because all these products are so awesome, but we have to make room for the new ones. So this is, and the die cuts, cut this, you get a whole page of cacti, and then you can die cut whatever you want out of it. So cute. All right, I am using the Friends Are Like Seashells stamp set, which is sticking around, thank goodness. I'm going to use this beautiful For You. And I don't know if you saw the last video that I did, or the last Fabricate Friday video that I did, but I used the Messages, this die, and I cut out a couple of just blank numbers here because it's perfect for my Friday videos where I like to have just like little boxes and stuff. And this one, look at how perfect that is. So perfect. And yeah, I'm gonna just put it on the edge there. There. So cute. And this one has the kitty in it. So hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.